Hi there, my name is Becky, aka the Mocha Foodie Gardener and Rise Garden's ambassador. When I got my Rise Garden, I had plans for growing lettuce, maybe some tomatoes, and a few culinary herbs for my family. But the more I grow, I learn about the versatility of simple items like herbs that can be grown in my garden. I recently started drying my own herbs to make my own skincare products for myself and my family. Whether it's dry skin in the winter, sunburn in the summer, or various things that trigger my daughter's eczema, there are countless useful benefits for herbal salves. I also love that they have a very long shelf life. Unlike lotions, salves don't contain water, which is why lotions have a shorter shelf life, and if they're store-bought, they can contain preservatives. Salves have more oil in them, which in turn can be formulated to make them even stronger than lotions. The best part is that they're easy to make yourself. Salves contain infused oil with your favorite herb and beeswax. This gives it a thicker consistency than lotion, and I find for myself that it is a lot more helpful when it comes to moisturizing my skin. You'll want to start by infusing your herbs in oil. Fill up your mason jar about a third of the way with dried herbs and pour a generous amount of oil over them. In this case, I use sweet almond oil because it is light and is great for conditioning your skin. You'll want to add just enough to cover the herbs. Then you'll transfer them to a dark, warm location like a kitchen cabinet for about 3 weeks. You'll occasionally swirl the jar to help extract the herbs. Once that process is over, you'll heat the strained oil, beeswax, and additional coconut oil over a low heat using a double broiler until the oils and the wax are all melted. Once everything is melted, you'll check the consistency by using a skewer to see if the mixture is correct. If it seems too soft, add in a bit of beeswax. If it's too hard, add in a little bit more oil. Once everything is to your liking, go ahead and pour it in a little tin that you can buy from any store, and you're all set. Feel free to try other herbs that can be easily grown in your Rise Garden, like chamomile for its relaxing and soothing properties, or lavender buds, which are good for acne and calming burns. Rosemary is also said to have great pain relieving qualities. There's so many herbs that you can try to use, so I encourage you to explore and find your own that you like. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.